In this video, I will explain the on-hold status for money transfers made through Western Union. By the way, if you run a business, Western Union probably isn't the best option for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. Many people often ask why their transactions are placed on hold and how they can request a refund for the money. This process is generally similar if you are using services like STC Pay or Ursel Money Transfer, because the refund procedure usually follows the same basic steps. First, it is important to understand why a transaction may be placed on hold. One common reason is when you are sending money for the first time to a particular country or sending money to a new receiver. In such cases, the transfer may be temporarily paused while the service verifies the transaction for security purposes. Another possible reason is incorrect receiver information. For example, if there is a mistake in the receiver's name, bank account number, or other required details, the system may stop the transfer and place it on hold until the information is corrected. To begin resolving the issue or requesting a refund, the first thing you need to find is the MTCN number, which stands for Money Transfer Control Number. This is the tracking number used to identify your transfer. You can locate this number by opening the application you use to send the money, such as the Western Union app, the STC Pay app, or the Ursel Money app. In most cases, the MTCN number can also be found in the confirmation message or notification you received after sending the transfer. If you are using the Western Union app, log into your account and open the menu section. From there, go to the History or Transaction History area where all your transfers are listed. If your transfer has been placed on hold, you will be able to see it in that list. Select the transaction and note down the MTCN number, which will be used to track the transfer. Next, open an internet browser, such as Google Chrome, and search for the Western Union Transfer Tracking page. On that page, enter the MTCN number in the tracking field and submit it. After submitting the number, the system will display the status of your transfer, which in this situation will likely show that the transaction is on hold. If the transfer is on hold and you want to request a refund or ask them to resend the transfer, you can contact Western Union through email. Open your email service, such as Gmail, and compose a new message addressed to myiddwesternunion.com. In the subject line, include the word MTCN followed by your transfer tracking number so that the support team can easily identify your transaction. In the email message, write a request explaining that your transfer is currently on hold and that you would like assistance with either refunding the amount or completing the transfer. It is also important to attach the required identification documents. Typically, you will need two documents: the receiver's identification document and the sender's passport or another valid identification document. Including these documents helps verify both parties involved in the transfer. When writing the request, include all relevant details such as the transfer amount, the transaction reference number, and any other information that can help support your request. Providing complete information and supporting documents increases the chances of resolving the issue quickly. After sending the email, you should receive a response from Western Union acknowledging your request. Their reply will usually confirm that the transfer is on hold and inform you about the next steps, which may include processing the refund or requesting additional verification. Once you receive the response, you can track the transfer again using the same MTCN number to check whether the status has changed. If the refund has been processed but the money has not yet appeared in your account, you may need to contact the customer support hotline of the service you used to send the money. Western Union is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Western Union offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.